This is the entrance to Gtus in sunny Florida with the coconuts. This is the building, the main building, and in the back we have two buildings, new buildings, to build machines and inkjets. And this is the entrance to GTUS. First, we have some offices for administration and salespeople. This is the GraphTech meeting room, and so most of the people that come here stay here. These machines, we test the inkjets. It's a roll-to-roll systems, but because you can run fast. We have 4 roll-to-roll machines. Here we have our fully automatic CNC machine from Sharp. Here we have our room with semi-automatic CNC machines. This one making an inkjet part from Delrin. Where we do clean stuff or cut stuff. This is a drive with the drives for the machine, and we cable all this here. Here we're making the next inkjet and mag encoder. Here is the line that we're doing. These are 4 stations where we put together inkjets. You see Dennis there putting one on. So these 2 are the 2 new buildings. We're gonna go into one. This will be our meeting room, and there is a window looking into the factory. Here is room for engineers. We see a room for the managers, restrooms, and here we have this almost 10,000 square feet where we are going to make inkjets and machines.